Hello friends, my name is Alan. Today I'm going to tell a story, The Lazy Horse. And we ran far away. They were the kind and hard-working trader. Most day, he traded in salt. He also had a horse that was very lazy and always avoided work. He used them to carry sacks of salt from one town to the other. Come on, horse, let's fill these sacks up and let's go across the town, across the river to sell this salt. The horse is thinking, I'm so tired today. Why should I work every day? I wish I can sleep throughout the day, but no, I have to carry these sacks of salt. As the go horse start walking. Until then I'm going to pack some food for myself. As the horse started walking, suddenly he slipped and fell into the water. As he was carrying sacks of salt in his back, the sacks got lighter. The sacks got lighter and the salt dissolved in the water. As he got up, his back filled less weight. As he was thinking, I think this is a good idea. I like this idea. I think I can use this idea. I hope Master doesn't watch. As he reached the town to sell the salt, it weighed less than what he ordered. Thinking it must be his miscalculation, he sold whatever salt was left and went home with his horse. The next day, he again ordered this sacks in his horse. As the horse started walking, he purposely did his new trick. Every day he did his new trick as the sacks weighed less every day, since the master got confused. So one day he followed the horse. As the master saw the horse's new trick, he said, "Oh, what a cunning horse! I must teach him a lesson." So the following day, instead of salt, he filled it up with cotton. So as and tied it to the horse's back. As the horse started walking, and did his new trick purposely, a horse fell into the water purposely. As the horse was in the water, he said, "Oh no, what is happening today? Why this sack's getting heavier?" He dipped again and again, thinking to drain the salt off, but it all went in vain. As he got up, the sacks he panted as the master came and said, "Horse, this is your work. I work so hard and worship my work. I not make excuses by following tricks and fool others." The horse learned this lesson and never tried to avoid his work. The moral of the story is be loyal to your work. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.